Hi everyone, I'm Rob King and welcome to the Punk IPA Outtakes edition. Now this was a huge homebrew and there was plenty of opportunity for things to go wrong, as we did a big brew day, we did a shootout compared to the real thing, we did some yeast washing for the first time, and I had to extend the fermentator while doing this brew. So, plenty for us to check out. If this is going to work. No, it's not. So long as it stays like that, I'm happy with that level of boil. I've got a wide angle, it's probably picking you up. We're still in shot, we do seem to be. So all the way right, get that right, is maximum flow restriction, and it will unrestrict the more I turn it this way. That was the CO2 falling over, no surprises there. Well, somehow I've lost all power. Just that sort of... Here I am. So yes, in wrap up, I've stuck to everything here. Why does nothing ever quite fit? Test. This one I poured quite a... In terms of the fermentator, finally there was a couple of twice during this homebrew. Now twice during this homebrew, the Plan B and the shootout to see how it compares to the real thing.